On Thursday, September 28, 2023, Virgin Galactic launched its first commercial flight into space from Spaceport America in New Mexico. The spaceflight, dubbed the Galactic 1 by Sir Richard Branson's private space tourism company, set off at 4 p.m. UK time. But what is a commercial spaceflight? What happens on board? And what does this mean for the future of space tourism? Galactic 1 carried 3 crew members from the Italian Air Force and National Research Council of Italy, along with an astronaut instructor from Virgin Galactic. They were part of a scientific research mission that conducted 13 experiments on biomedicine, thermofluid dynamics, and microgravity during the flight. The flight lasted about 90 minutes and reached an altitude of around 50 miles above Earth. That's enough to cross the boundary of space. The crew experienced several minutes of weightlessness and saw the curvature of the Earth and the blackness of space. They also enjoyed stunning views of the desert landscape below. How does the launch work? Virgin Galactic uses a unique system to launch its spacecraft. Instead of using a traditional rocket from a launch pad, it uses a carrier aircraft called White Knight 2 that takes off from a runway like a normal plane. Once the carrier aircraft reaches around 50,000 feet, it releases the spacecraft, called Spaceship Two, from underneath. Spaceship Two then fires its rocket engine and accelerates in a near-vertical climb to the edge of space. After reaching its peak altitude, Spaceship Two glides back to Earth and lands on the same runway as White Knight 2. A ticket for a 90-minute trip to space with Virgin Galactic will set you back $450,000. That's not cheap, but it's much less than what previous space tourists have paid to fly on Russian rockets to the International Space Station. According to Virgin Galactic, there is high demand for its flights. The company has already sold more than 600 tickets, including to celebrities like Leonardo DiCaprio and Justin Bieber. It also has a waiting list of thousands more potential customers. What does this mean for the future of space tourism? The successful launch of Galactic 1 marks a major milestone for Virgin Galactic and the commercial space industry. It proves that suborbital flights are feasible and safe for paying customers. Virgin Galactic plans to launch its first tourist flight in August 2023 with Galactic 2. It will carry 4 passengers who have already bought their tickets. After that, Virgin Galactic flights are expected to take place every month with up to 6 passengers per flight. The company hopes to expand its flight schedule and lower its prices in the coming years. It plans to develop new spacecraft that can fly higher and faster and offer different experiences such as orbital flights or lunar flybys.